Good morning, YouTube. We are on the road in the brown WJ testing the Death Wobble fix. So we went back to stock suspension. Right now I've got stock size tires on it as well at this very moment. And we are driving 500 miles today, about 250 each way. We're going to the other side of Sheridan into Ranchester today, Wyoming, in order to get some tires for the Nissan Titan. So this guy or girl, I really don't know, listed some, I don't even know, are they Bridgestone? Blizzaks? The Blizzaks, whoever makes them, I think they're Bridgestone, listed some Blizzaks anyway that are the right size for the Nissan Titan. So right now I'm running I haven't been happy with anything tire-wise on the Titan on the ice. It just sucks. On the F250 I've got some not even 3-peak certified tires running on the F250, and it does way better on the ice than the Titan. And I've had 3 different sets of the 3 Mountain Peak Snowflake rating winter tire, whatever you want to call it. Not winter tires, but all-terrains that are winter certified, whatever the heck it is. I haven't been happy with any of them. I've bought them all used, but they've all had really good tread. So today, way off in Ranchester, a guy listed some Blizzaks for $150, a whole set of 4 that will fit the Titan. And on the pictures, it looks like there's tons of tread and tons of siping left. He says he's used them one season only. He had them on his Tundra, and why he's getting rid of them, I don't know. Hopefully that's not an issue. We'll find out. But anyway, I decided to take the brown WJ because we just ripped off the suspension and put a new suspension on. We did stock suspension, and I figured what better time to test if Death Wobble's gone for good than 500 miles of freaking freeway. So that's what we're doing. How do I flip you around? Let's not do that. I can't actively flip you around on this phone. Oh, so phones. I dropped my phone at work. I was up on some grading, like a catwalk style grading, and taking some pictures for a job that we have coming up, and I dropped my phone and it is toast. So there is no more phone. So instead of buying a new one, I went and dug around, found the last one we had from 3 years ago. So it's like almost a 5 or 6 year old phone now. And yeah, there's definitely been some upgrades that you get used to on the last phone we had. So it's interesting. This is the Galaxy S9 Plus. And my wife and I switched to the S20 a long freaking time ago. And so going back to the 9 Plus we're missing some features, like being able to flip the camera while I'm videoing, apparently. So, hold on, I'll be back. Alright, so as you can see, we're cruising at about 80, I don't know, I guess that's 86, 87 miles an hour. And we are cruising just fine. It's just wide open freeway. I've been on the road for 2 hours already. I hit the road at 5 a.m. and it's like 7:15 right now. We've got another hour and a half to go. And then we'll turn around and come back. So the sun's just popping up. It looks pretty outside. You can see the mountain tops up there. Still got snow on them. It's nice and pretty. And yeah, we're just gonna keep cruising. No Death Wobble, no indication of wobble coming back. And yeah, my tripometer says 25 because I stopped for gas 25 miles ago. But anyway, I'll be back to you in a few minutes. Yeah, I might be going a little crazy on this whole tire situation. I want winter tires for the Titan, and I like winter tires on the Jeep. Those are going to be my 2 commuters to work, and I just want winter tires on them so that, you know, even in the really icy days. I mean, there's times when the road is 100% iced over and you've got no traction if you ain't got good tires. I'm still learning South Dakota up here. But my summer tires just don't cut it on ice. So I might be going a little bit crazy with the whole winter tire situation, but that's okay. I want winter tires on the Titan and the Jeep because those are what I'm driving to and from work all the time. So it is what it is. so we've been, we drove all the way up to, oh fudge, I don't even remember what it's called now, past Sheridan, and we checked out the Home Depot up there. Seems that we don't have any Home Depots near us. When I say we, I mean me, myself, and I. And then shot back down, grabbed the tire, shot back down. I feel like I got a phenomenal deal on these tires. They mentioned that they had only been used one season on their Toyota Tundra, and I absolutely believe them. These things are really good condition. You probably can't see that right there, but point is, there's lots of life left on them, lots of siping left on them. So I think I'm pulling out with a really good deal on these. I'm pretty excited. So tomorrow morning, which is a Sunday morning, I gotta go all the way to Pierre or whatever the heck it's called, South Dakota, the capital of South Dakota, and get another set of tires for this Jeep. There's a guy listing 5 brand spanking new winter tires. They're not Blizzaks, they're something different. I actually don't even know. All this picture is of the tread, but 5 brand new tires with rims. I guess he bought them for his Jeep and they didn't fit. But they're the bigger size that I want to run on this Jeep anyway. They're the same size as the summer tires, and I really like that look. So we're gonna run those. So tomorrow I gotta go all the way to Pierre and all the way back before church starts. I gotta take the kids to church tomorrow. So yeah, so it's gonna be an early morning jaunt, but we'll get those tires hopefully, and all will be good. Might be going off the deep end with driving to get tires. I feel like I'm doing a lot of driving to get tires. But if you think about it, so the tires I just picked up right now for $150 for pretty much more or less new tires that cost $200 a piece, and I just spent $150 on them. Yeah, it's an 8-hour drive. Yeah, I'm spending about $140 on gas. But 140, let's just call it 150. 150 gas, 150 in tires, that's $300 to get what would cost me about 1,000 brand new. So I'm saving $700. So that's well worth it in my opinion. Same with tomorrow. The guy's got them listed for $400, so it's a little bit more, but it's coming with rims, and 5 of them. 5 rims, 5 tires. So again, by the time I was to buy those new, even though I'm going to spend about probably 6 hours driving tomorrow, I'm still pulling way ahead with cash savings, and that's pretty much how I do what I do, guys. I don't make a lot of money. I'm not rolling in dough here. I just look for deals. That's where I'm at. So anywho, I'll catch you guys later.